Hello mathos, welcome to One My Maths. Today we are going to learn exercise 2.3 remaining problems and also continue with exercise 4. State the reasons for following. So 1, 2, 3 up to 10 is not equals to x such that x belongs to n and 1 less than x less than 10. Yes, because it is not equals, because in the left side 1 to 10 the two numbers are included, and from right side 1 less than x less than 10, it means 1 and 10 both are excluded in the right side. For second, 2, 4, 8, 10 not equals to x such that x is equals to 2n plus 1 and n belongs to or x belongs to n. So it is definition of odd numbers. 5, 15, 30, 45 is not equals to x such that x is a multiple of 15. Here 5 is the not multiple of 15, that's why so the given two sets are not equals. Fourth one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 not equals to x such that x is a prime number. So from the left side we have to observe that 9 is not a prime number, and right side is given as it is the set of prime numbers. So that's why those two sets are not equal. List all subsets of the following sets. B is equals to PQ. Here subsets of B, so there are two elements are present in the set, so 2 square 4 subsets are possible. P, Q, P comma Q and empty set. C is equals to XYZ. Subsets of C are 2 cube means 8 subsets are possible. Here the subsets are X, the element containing Y, Z, XY, YZ, ZX, X, Y, Z and Phi. So these are the subsets of the given set. Next one, D is equals to A, B, C, D. So it is containing 4 elements. 2 power of 4 subsets means 16 subsets are possible. They are empty set A, B, C, D, AB, BC, CD, AC, AD, BD, A, B, C, BCD, ABD, ACD and ABCD. For the remaining 2 problems you have to write. So here I have already given, so why I have written that much number of sets. So yes, 2 power of 4 16, and for the last one f is equals to 10 100,000, so 2 cube 8 subsets are possible. So that's why I have written, even though once you recall. Coming to the fourth exercise, we'll see the problems. State which of the following sets are empty and which are not empty. First one, the set of lines passing through a given point, it is not empty set. Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2, so it is empty set. X such that x is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 5, it is also empty set. Next one, x such that x is a common point to any 2 parallel lines, it is also an empty set. Last one, set of even prime numbers, so it is a not empty set. So we will see the reasons why they are empty and why they are non-empty. The set of lines passing through a point are infinite, so that's why it is not an empty set. And no odd natural number is divided by 2, that's why it is an empty set. Because we have given x less than 5 and x greater than 7, but 6 less than between them, but we have given that wrong statement, that's why it is an empty set. There is no common point to any two parallel lines, so that's why it is an empty set. And the even prime number, so there is a number, so 2 is there, singleton set, that's why it is not an empty set. State whether the following sets are finite or infinite. First one, the set of months in a year. So there are 12 months are there, it is a finite because countable number of elements are there in that set. And second one, 1 2 3 up to 100, it is also finite set. So here also countable number of elements are there. Next one, the set of prime numbers smaller than 99, so it is also a finite set because we have 25 prime numbers up to 100. So below 99, 25 prime numbers are there, so these are countable elements. Next one, the set of letters in the English alphabet, so there are 26 letters are there, so this is also a finite set. The set of lines that can be drawn are parallel to the x-axis, so this is infinite because we can draw infinite lines parallel to the x-axis. Next one, the set of numbers which are multiples of 5, so this is an infinite set because there are many infinite number of multiples of 5 are there. The set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0, so it is also a finite set. That's it for today class, and we'll continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.